In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Safelite discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Safelite discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with $10 discount right here. All you need to do is just select this button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code right here that you can easily copy, and you can apply the promo code on the next order so that you can get a $10 discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes, and right here on this website we have a list with other promo codes and deals that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 25% discount of your order. All you need to do right here is just select the button where it says view code, and right here, this is the promo code. So you can very easily copy this one using this button, and you can apply the promo code on your next order so that you can get a 25% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.